Thank you for buying this 16866 keypad access locker from Fixture Displays. There are 6 lockers to the unit. Each locker is equipped with a keypad lock that is powered by 4 AA batteries. The batteries are not installed. After you purchase, before you use it, you want to install the batteries. Inside each locker, there is a 5 volts USB charging female port. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. I'm going to show you how to remove the cover. You're going to push the cover down and then remove. Then have 4 batteries for each door ready and install according to the markings where the positive go and where the negative go. Later in the video, I'm going to show you also an external charging device that would help access your locker in case your battery goes dead. Fixture Displays offer a wide range of cell phone lockers. I encourage you to browse our site. C is cancel, and the green enter key is confirmation, which we use a lot. The default user code is 1111. Enter. Once the first code is entered, the lock activates. After 5 seconds or so, the lock locks itself so that when you push it in, it's in locked position. Default admin code is 8 zeros. Enter. So that would open it up. Now I'm going to show you how to reset the passwords for users. We're going to double hit, and then the light blinks. Enter the old password 1111. Enter. Took it, and then enter new password 2222 and enter. The green shows it was successful. Now if you enter the old password 1111, it would not work. The new password 2222 opens successfully. We're now going to show you how to change the administration password. I'm going to hold the green key until the light comes up. Then enter the old one, 8 zeros. Enter. And then the new one, 8 ones. Enter. Now the new password has been set. The old one would not work, whereas the new one, 8 ones, would work. So that's how you work on this lock. Now, if you entered wrong password for 3 times, the keypad would lock itself up for 5 minutes. Within these 5 minutes, you can enter any key. There's nothing's going to happen. You must wait 5 minutes, and after that, you can start use administration keys. Now, in the event your battery is out or drained, in this case we will remove the batteries to simulate a drained battery situation, and the lock is still in locking position. This is a battery housing, part number 16866-battery housing, allow you to connect power externally. You still need 4 AA batteries. I highly recommend you get one of these ready when you purchase a locker. Battery drains in the least expected times, so having this handy in an accessible place would solve a lot of anxiety problems later on. The slotted side face inward and plug it in. You can then operate the keypad. Enter 4 ones and it opens up. Definitely a great investment to have for added security. Certainly, we do recommend you change battery regularly to ensure you don't run into a drained battery situation. In the back, there are 4 hanging holes. You can fasten your screw heads by measuring properly the distances and then hang the unit over. You can also use longer screws to fasten this all the way down. We do recommend you at least find 1 column of studs to use. Dimensions of this locker, left to right, is 22.3 inches, front to back 8 inches, height is 19.5 inches. This locker weighs about 18 pounds. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. We have 30 slot units that work with the cam lock. The part number is 15252. We also have 12 and 6 slot units. In addition to these 2 types of locks, we also have 4 digits combination lock, mechanical locks. The part number for that is 10041 and 15259. We also have version take padlocks. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.